Hello, my digital nomad. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google voice typing in order to save yourself a lot of money and a lot of time. Let's get started. Now, before I show you everything, let me show you the value of what I'm about to show you. I'm ashamed to admit this, but back in the day, I actually made a purchase on this software, and I think it was called Dragon Speak at the time. There was 13 is what I paid for. And at that time, it was quite expensive. It was maybe like two or $300. It was horrible. You had to train it. It couldn't recognize what I was saying. It often wouldn't transcribe what I was saying accurately. I would have to go back and edit it several times later. I often question the price I paid for this because it was a one-time payment, kind of because I kept up with the new editions, and then you had to buy the next edition and the next edition. The software wasn't helpful for me. Maybe other people found it helpful. That's great. But for me, it was a waste of time. That's why I bought it and that was it. Then I found out that Google Docs, you can do voice typing. I tested out and it worked. Unfortunately, it worked a lot better than the paid software I just talked about. Let me show you how to do that and save yourself a lot of money and not have to go through the pain points that I had to go through. Okay, so what you do is you just go into Google Docs. There will be something called Tools. You scroll down to voice typing, or you can press Control Shift on your keyboard and then click on this icon to simply talk. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. As you can see, it's keeping up really well. Now, all in all, this is great for those who are very slow typers like myself. I often use this to brainstorm and then have an AI tool organize my thoughts and make them more clear. This is great for creating ebooks or writing a script for a video. All in all, this tool is wonderful. You can use it on a PC. It's not attached to any kind of operating system like Windows or iOS. As long as you have a web browser, you can access this, which is great. You can use it on Linux as well. It goes across multiple devices. If I'm typing something and I have to go to work or catch a train, it's not dead time. I can open up my phone and continue. So this is a very versatile tool. I'm really shocked that it's free because, like I said, the other paid tool that I used wasn't that great. I felt kind of stupid for buying it. So I just wanted to show you my painful lesson. It's what I learned, what it cost me, and to use Google document voice typing instead, because the voice typing on Google Docs is amazing. It's free and it can catch up with whatever you say. Now, if it's a technical word, you're going to have to slow down, enunciate the word properly. But all in all, if it's just common vocabulary, it does a great job. And I'll let you pause this. You can go ahead and read it to see how accurate you think it was compared to what I said. It is quite accurate. Other things I use this for besides video scripting, brainstorming, and dumping data from my mind. And you can also use this to write songs or lyrics as well. It's a free tool and a great tool. Don't make the same mistake I did. Just use the free tool. It's not always the case that free is better than paid, but in this case, I don't know how Google did it. I'm assuming maybe Google is a larger company and more profitable, so they had more money to throw into Google voice typing. The free software is actually better than the paid one. I just want you to save some time, money, and heartache. Don't go through what I did. Just use this tool. Are there other paid tools that are better than this? Yeah, there are. I'll leave a link for the paid tool that is better than Google Documents, where it not only transcribes what you say more accurately, but also allows you to rewrite it and organize your thoughts with the AI within 2 clicks. I'll leave that link down below so you can check that out. This is great. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit the like button? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.